G-spot for life, you know what I mean? That mistake. So Mr. Bias, Young's Fire, Koolbreak, Oliver. G-spot for life, that's right. G-spot, yeah. G-spot, now. Nothing in the world, nothing in the world. G-spot sound. Sound for life. That's right, that's right. It's the G-spot. Let's go. G-spot, oh boy. G-spot gonna kill that sound tonight. Some boy. We've been waiting for this moment all our life. Some boy. G-spot gonna kill your sound tonight. Some boy. And if you told me you were drowning, I would just let you drown. I've heard your sound before, jump on, but I don't know if you know who I am. We were there when we heard you play. I heard it with my own two ears. So wipe off the grin, we know where you've been. Dubplatevoicing.